Hey, what's great is going on it's in Moab.
Yeah, we've never been there.
Fabulous.
Take bugs away the biggest, the sharp, the strongest you can get.
We've been to Arctic Wildlife Refuge. That was
Where's that?
in Alaska.
Like Amarillo, like
Beehive 1355. Beehive 1355.
There it goes.
Look at that, just coming out of that mold.
Right, they're going to get
Yeah, see, everybody tries to
Oh, they're gonna run.
Who's running?
They all start running.
Who's running?
The people on the right, because they're getting wet.
Oh.
You're not moving while they want to stop running.
Look at that.
That is
See, this is our fireworks for today. This is the colorful ones, but we've got these. Oh, the trifecta. Unbelievable. Well, partly because you told us they were coming, so we hung around. So thank you. Yeah, we did. We did. Thank you. Yeah, it's fabulous. Look at that. Yeah, exactly. That's why I said like the other. It's like someone had a fire hose under there.
Yeah, I know.
If you're in the videos, this would be a good one to take.
This trip just right, honey.
Yeah, I know. I like that.
Can you imagine if the sun was behind that? It would look like a rainbow.
This is Beehive.
That would probably be a good place to be. Whatever's around. If you're getting an
Non-stop service from Seattle to Baltimore.
yeah, I think so.
You can tell once you're it's going to be just starting. Non-stop flights from Seattle to
Seattle Press.
Yes, you guys are doing a good ship. Let's see the Southwest direction.
Enjoy it while it lasts, because the direct from San Jose to Baltimore every day did not last.
They did back in the day.
Now look on the right.
Look, but look on the right. Other things are popular. What's that one? On the right.
That's
Oh. Oh, now I'm hot.
Look, my wife is sticking.
Oh, there's a lot of hot air.
Oh, the sun just came out.
1, 2, 3, 4.
That's a funny picture.
I know.
That is a funny picture.
It's
funny.
Yeah.
We've got a lot of nice information for people we met. We've got
One of the nice parts about these trips is meeting nice people like you guys.
Yeah, actually,
You get that Plume in 1957, Plume 1357.
our first day we got lost in our GPS told us the wrong way to turn. Lost in the